Wendy's Kitchen. Welcome to my YouTube channel and thank you for stopping by. And if you're here for the first time, kindly subscribe and then turn on your notification bell so that you can get notified whenever I post a new video. Also, consider giving this video a thumbs up and share with your friends. So today I'm going to show you how to prepare delicious beef wet fry that you can serve with ugali, chapati and rice. So we are going to start by cooking our meat until it gets very soft. So at this point I'm going to add some salt in order to add some flavor to the meat, but if you don't wish to, please don't. We are going to add it at some point. Yeah, so and we let our meat boil for some few minutes before we start cooking. So guys, these are the spices that I'm going to use. These are my tomatoes. I used 2 big tomatoes, and this is my grated carrot. I used 1 carrot, and this is my pili boga. Yeah, so I used 3/4 of it because I didn't want it to be too much. And then this is my onion. I used 1 big onion, and then this one is the mixture of garlic and ginger, and then lastly we have my coriander leaves. So these are the ingredients that we're going to use for these videos. And for the spices I'm going to use this is Royco, and then I have turmeric, and then this is the cinnamon. So I'm going to use these spices to cook this beef. So once your meat is done cooking, you can go ahead and add some oil to it and allow it to fry for some few minutes. So once your meat is cooked, go ahead and add in your onions, and fry them until they are translucent or golden fry, depending on how you like them. And then go ahead and add in your garlic and ginger, and then stir them also until they cook. Make sure all the onions and the garlic and the ginger cook until they turn golden brown in color. So guys, we're going to add in our spices, and then we stir them a little bit, and then we're going to add our pili boga, and then we add our tomatoes. So we are going to stir the ingredients, and then we are going to let it cook for some few minutes in a low medium heat. So we are going to check and see whether our tomatoes are cooked, but as you can see, the tomatoes are not cooked. So again, we are going to let them cook again for some few minutes. So we are going to add in our carrots. You can grate them or chop them into cubes depending on how you like them. So as for me, I grated my carrots because I like it that way, and then I'm going again to cover these tomatoes and carrots to ensure that they are completely cooked and they have completely broken down. So we are going to cover it for again some few minutes completely. So as you can see, our tomatoes are completely broken down. So go ahead and stir your beef and allow it to simmer in a low medium heat so that can cook well in those spices and the ingredients that you used. As you can see, I did not add some water, but if you wish to add water, you can add some water, but do not add a lot of water, because at the end you will end up with beef stew instead of having a beef with fry. But if you wish to add some water, you can add, and also at this point you can add some salt if you notice that the salt is not enough. You can add some salt to add some flavor to the meat, but as for me, I think the salt is enough. Once that is done, we are going to add in our coriander leaves. And then we are going to stir them, and then we are going to allow it to simmer for some few seconds, because we wouldn't want it to cook, because we still want to smell that aroma. So we are going to let it simmer for some few seconds. As you can see, our beef is ready to serve, and guys, it looks so yummy. Can't wait to taste it. Hey guys, so here is our beef with fry, and guys, these are so delicious, and I highly recommend that you try this recipe. So I'll see you next time. Bye.